Most submetering companies have a presence nationally. I'm able to install meters in Washington State or here in Florida. But there are some that I'm going to call mega companies. They're huge. Now here's the difference. When you call these people in here, you'll have the phone answered by a human in less than 15 seconds. You're not going to get into a phone system where you're having to go through a telephone tree. The average answer time, 15 seconds. Behind you back there are account managers. Property manager has an issue. They're gonna call their account manager, and literally that person's gonna pick up the phone, talk to them, and resolve the problem. You call some of the other companies. We did a test on one of the bigger companies. It took 30 minutes for them to get to a human. Compare that to 15 seconds. Which company do you wanna work with? When we come in and do an installation, we have a plumbing license. We actually send in our own plumbers to do the work, rather than a subcontractor that lives in another state, doesn't care, is gonna come in, do the installation and leave. When you work with us, there's no one to blame but us. So if anything goes wrong, we're responsible. From beginning installation all the way through to collections and remittance, you're dealing with one person.